Welcome to the Biotech Signals series of the Micromolar podcast. Today is Thursday, July 31st, 2026.
Novo Nordisk suffered another major pipeline setback after its IL-6 inhibitor ziltivekimab failed to reduce cardiovascular events in a pivotal phase 3 study. The disappointing result erased what many viewed as one of Novo's most promising opportunities to expand beyond obesity and diabetes into inflammation-driven cardiovascular disease. Investors responded swiftly, sending Novo shares down more than 9%.
Eli Lilly and manufacturing partner Resilience announced a $750 million investment to dramatically expand production of injection devices used for diabetes and obesity medicines. This has become one of the biggest bottlenecks limiting GLP-1 availability worldwide.
Moderna reaffirmed its goal of achieving roughly 10% annual revenue growth, even after its late-stage norovirus vaccine failed to meet primary efficacy goals. Management emphasized that its future is increasingly dependent on a diversified mRNA pipeline, rather than any single vaccine program.
AbbVie reported another strong quarter from its immunology franchise, but investors nevertheless pushed shares lower after results failed to meet elevated expectations. The reaction illustrates how difficult it has become for large pharmaceutical companies to satisfy investors.
Karyopharm shares plunged after Xpovio failed its second phase 3 trial in endometrial cancer. The repeated late-stage failures substantially weaken hopes that the drug can expand beyond its current approved indications, and increase pressure on the company to identify new sources of growth.
Latigo Bio announced positive pivotal trial results for its experimental non-opioid pain therapy, positioning itself alongside Vertex in one of biotech's fastest-growing therapeutic areas. As healthcare systems continue searching for safer alternatives to opioids, successful late-stage pain medicines have become increasingly valuable commercial assets.
Ratio Therapeutics secured $70 million to accelerate clinical development of its radiopharmaceutical programs. Investment in targeted radiotherapies continues to accelerate following the commercial success of drugs like Novartis's Pluvicto, with investors increasingly viewing radiopharma as one of oncology's fastest-growing segments.
AI drug discovery company Recursion named its first chief AI officer, reflecting how computational biology companies are increasingly separating traditional scientific leadership from artificial intelligence leadership.
Those are all the biotech signals for today. Thanks for tuning in to the Micromolar podcast.